Hi there. Does your gut ever feel off from summer eating? It's Marilyn Zink. I'm a herbalist and certified nutrition coach, and today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us during the summer: gut health. You know that feeling after barbecue or picnic when your stomach just doesn't feel right? You're not alone. Let's talk about what's really going on and how herbs and nutrition can help. Now, summer is full of these wonderful moments of outdoor eating, barbecues, potlucks, food under the stars. But these rich sauces and processed meats and sugar desserts, yes, that potato salad that sat out a little too long, that can throw your digestion off and feed the wrong kind of bacteria. And here's another aspect to summer: the heat effect. Now, I'm not talking about the heat effect on food, I'm talking about the heat effect on your body. Did you know that summer heat can actually disrupt your gut microbiome? That's true. Warmer temperatures can shift the balance in your gut, increasing a bacteria group known as firmicutes, and that's linked to weight gain. And the heat can also make your gut lining more permeable, what we call leaky gut. And this lets toxins and pathogens into your bloodstream, and that leads to inflammation and stress on your immune system. Now, there's another aspect to it. We all like traveling this summer, and it's amazing trying new foods, especially street foods or items that have been in the sun a little too long. Maybe there was some improper handling there, or you just left it. This can also cause bacterial chaos. And swimming in places, can certainly affect the levels of bacteria that can also, in turn, affect your gut. Well, you know what? Got some survival tips for you. There's some gut survival tips that can be very helpful, that is going to boost your immune health and make you feel better all summer long. Now, the first step is to build immunity with probiotics. Sometimes there's things like acidophilus and bifidus. They replenish the good bacteria and they make your gut stronger. And then they help with things like leaky gut. The other part, of course, is to stay hydrated. We want to drink lots of good water. You can make really delicious herbal teas, drink them cold, maybe add some cucumber to it or some other fruits. So I like hydrating with fresh fruits like watermelon and berries. Or there's a power boost that I can tell you more about. Put the link below. It gives you prebiotics, antioxidants, and energy. So we all like to have that kind of energy in the summer. And just, good hydration is going to make you feel better and help you accomplish so much more. And it's also important to sleep well. Now, when the days are longer, especially like in Canada, we can have long summer days that go well into the night, past 9 o'clock, it's still light out. Early in the summer, 10 o'clock, it's still light out. It almost feels like you have 2 days in one, right? Well, sometimes you're not getting enough rest because then the sun is up early in the morning and you've maybe gotten to bed late and then you're getting up super early. You're not getting the rest you need. And this lack of rest raises cortisol, increases gut inflammation. So what I'd like to tell you about a formula that gives you some herbal support. It contains herbs like passion flower, chamomile, and hops. And then this can really help you wind down, take care of that stress, and make you more relaxed. And the last step, especially for women, ladies, if you're 40 plus and you're going through menopause, your gut's going to need some extra care. This is why hormonal shifts can change digestion and immunity. So this is the time to focus on gut health. What happens is the hormones like estrogen, they get dumped in your gut and this starts causing disrupts the microbiome. So it's really important to think about how these can be helpful to you. And if you'd like a personalized gut health plan, I'd love to help you. I offer one-on-one support as a nutrition coach and herbalist. Please check the links below. And I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, stay cool, stay nourished, and take care of your gut. Thanks for watching. Bye.